Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a glow effect in Photopea. First, I should mention that the background of the object to which the glow effect will be added needs to be transparent. If you're ready, as a first step, right-click on the main layer and select Duplicate Layer. We'll be repeating this process many times, just so you know. Next, make sure the newly added layer is selected. If it's not selected, you can left-click on it to select it. Then, click the Filter tab in the menu at the top. Hover your mouse cursor over Blur and select Gaussian Blur from the newly opened window. Set it to 5 and click the OK button. Now, duplicate the layer with Gaussian Blur set to 5 and set the Gaussian Blur to 10 on the newly added layer. Duplicate the last layer again, and this time set the Gaussian blur to 20. Now, while holding down the Control key, left-click to select the last 3 layers. Next, click the new folder icon located under Layers page. Next step, duplicate the main layer again and drag and drop it to the top. Set Gaussian blur to 40 for this layer. Then, similarly duplicate this layer and this time set it to 80. Again, the same steps, set to 160. Again, 320. One last time, this time set it to 640. Next, use the Control key and left-click to select all layers except the main layer, and drag and drop them onto the folder we created. Then open the folder and click on the Effects section, and select Linear Dodge. As you can see, we successfully added a glow effect. If you wish, you can reduce the intensity of the glow effect by using opacity. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to add a glow effect in Photopea has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!